girly pops? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Custom Crochet. What's up? Don't mind the music in the background, the YouTube playing in the background. That is my son. He is watching his YouTube. But today's video, I am crocheting a pair of pants. I've made about 3 pair of these scrap pants already. I made one for my sister that I have to still ship out, and I made one for myself, but my sister took them, and after she took them, she wanted the one that I made for her. And I made another pair for myself, and now I'm making another pair for myself to go with my mesh poncho that I made. I just need to add the tassels, and then that'll be done with that. But for right now, I'm making pants. So yeah, let's get into the specs and details on that. Okay, so usually, y'all, we know we all have the little bucket of, or bin, bags, whatever, of scrap yarn that we use from making other projects with the yarn, and we feel like we're not going to use it again, so just throw it in a bucket. I have a bucket, but your girl was not trying to go through that bucket. I mean, it's not a lot of yarn, granted, but because I've been using it to make scrap projects, but it's still some in there, and I just feel like I don't want to do that. So a hack that I have created is using the all-in-one granny square yarn. If y'all don't know what it looks like, here it is right here. They come in all different types of colors, anything that you can think of, but I couldn't do the granny squares, so I was like, but I want this yarn. So how can I use this yarn to benefit me? So I feel like, why not use it to make scrap pants? You don't have to tie up no ends. It's all in one. You just keep on going with the flow and your little rounds or whatever. So yeah, that's what I've done. So yeah, next time I do it, I think I'm gonna add different skeins of them, like different colors of the skein. That way it could be like really scrappy looking. But for now, I'm just sticking with one skein. So far, I've already started it, because if you haven't watched my other video, that video I've shown the progress I made so far on it. So it became a whip, so it's now still a whip. So we're gonna work on it and hopefully finish it today. If we don't finish it today, it's gonna be a next day or a next day until we get this done. But I want to get them done. But so far, this is what I have on the pants. And I did 65 chains in a round, and I'm doing 64 rows, and then I'm doing the thigh area. And I got this pattern tutorial from Kinaske. I don't want to say her name wrong. Crochet. I'm put her name here. So if you want to see how I came up with it, it's not my pattern. I did not make the pattern. I just followed the tutorial and made a whole bunch of pants. So I'll have her channel here or down in my description box, so look out for that. But yeah, you guys, so far I have 55 rows, so I'm just gonna keep on going until we get the first panel done, and then I'll be back to start the second one with you guys. But yeah, you guys, see you in the montage. gonna try this new thing. I'm going to try this new thing out. This narrator, Shea Butter, she does it on her channel, so I'm going to try it today. So we need to pick out a name, but until then, let's see what the narrator has to say today.
Hello, so today is day 2 of crocheting these pants. Are we ever gonna finish? We might today, so we have 1 skein of yarn. Let's see how far Shea can go dot, dot. This is the second pant leg, and this is how far she's come so far. Get into it. Oh, look at that, love the colorway. Clock it, clock it. She ate that.
Thank you for that, narrator. Like I said, we need to pick a name, so let me know some names for my new narrator. He or she will be popping up in some videos here and there. It won't be all videos. It might be, it might not be. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But y'all, I'm under the weather. I don't know if y'all can tell but by my eyes, but I am under the weather today. My throat is not giving what it's supposed to give. But yeah, today we are going to finish, as the narrator said, we are going to finish these crochet pants. I already have 1 panel done. Boom, boom. Okay, you see it, you see it. And this is the Red Heart all-in-one granny square yarn. I think it was shadow something with shadow in it. It's just black, white, grays, creams in betweens. But yeah, so I already started the other panel, the last panel. I have a whole bunch to go. I just started this today, and then I had a doctor's appointment. So we are going to see how far we come and how long it'll take me to finish this. So today is Friday. It is September 5th. It is September 5th because I have a video that came out September 5th. So I'm going to be uploading. I'm going to try to upload every Friday at 10 p.m. That way you know it's a video coming from your girl. If I don't, I will put a community tab post that I will not be recording, or it wouldn't be an upload so far. But I'm doing pretty good so far. But we'll see. Let's get into this pattern while my husband is calling me on the phone. So we run into a little delay. No fret, no fret. I just ran out of yarn for doing my other panel. My son said, hey, let's see how many rows I have so far. I've done with I'd say a whole skein of yarn. So this is what a whole skein of yarn will get me. Or I wouldn't even say a full skein, because I use a quarter of it to finish the other panel of the pants. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So I have 38 rows done with more than half of a skein of the yarn. I do have another skein here. This is a fresh skein. I brought it today at Walmart. So we're just gonna crack this baby open and keep it moving. But this is the yarn, and the shade is right here. In case anybody is wondering what yarn I use, and I'm using a 4.25 millimeter hook. That's probably why it's taking me so long, but I want my stitches to be a little bit tighter. Sorry if I sound under the weather. My kids done got me sick since school started, so I'm trying to just keep up the good energy and get these pants done. This is day 2 that I am working on it. I started last week Thursday. No, I started on Thursday, not last week. Whenever the last video showed, I don't know when that last video was put out, but that's when I started the pants. And today is September, so I think I started in August. Took some breaks in between to do other projects, but yeah, I'm gonna keep on doing the rows until I get to the thigh part, and I'll be back to show you guys my progress, or I'll just come back and show you both panels done and putting them together and then making the waistband. So I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Y'all ready? Y'all getting a little sneak peek right now, but y'all don't mind my bra strap. Y'all ready to see the final product of the pants, the outfit I was talking about? Ready? Ready? Drum roll, please. Here we go. Boom. Boom, y'all. Look at this, y'all. Got the fit all done. Fit check, fit check. Let me see. Let me see, is it given? Trying to see if I can see it in another angle. Look at the tassels. Look at it. I had to cut the tassels up some, but yeah, nice little. I did the sleeves too. In the other yarn, don't mind the leave out. Don't mind, I didn't weave it in yet. But yeah, this is so tea. This is so tea, y'all. This is so tea. So tea. So tea. But y'all, this is the fit. I'm trying to make sure y'all get it all in. If y'all can see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. If I can put it in a different angle for y'all. If y'all can see me good. Lift this up some. Go in my hallway. Boom. Boom. Don't mind my panties. Boom. So, yeah, you guys. That is it for this video. I hope y'all liked enjoyed watching the montages and how I came up with this. Don't mind my son in the background, but yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I enjoyed creating it. I love this top. The girl who did the video, she did shorts, but it's too cold outside now. So, but yeah, I'm done and I'm happy about it. And I'm on to creating my next pair of pants. So, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you guys in my next video. This took about 4 days to do, only because the yarn was out of stock. So I had to go to Michael's, get some more yarn, go to Walmart, and get another skinny yarn. Y'all already saw all of that in the clips, but I got it done. 4 days. Today is Thursday, September 15th, I think. So by the time y'all are seeing this, by the time this is uploaded, it will be September the 19th, because today is the 16th. It's Tuesday, and I started this like 4 days ago, but I wasn't working with it consecutively. So yeah, by the time you see this, it'll be the 19th. So yeah, I'm gonna upload every Friday. I'm still trying, I'm still doing it, so y'all stay tuned. It'll probably be up around 10 to 12, one of those two areas. But I love you guys, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.